Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Johnson. I know I am late and I keep getting later and later, and I apologize for that. But I am here with last week's raffle. So I have everybody's name in there. We only have about 92 entries. We didn't have that many entries since Miss Johnson was out. However, we are here to do our raffle of the week. As I have told you before, but I didn't get to show you that you'll be able to pick from any of the books that we still have available. I'll send the pictures to you in Google Classroom. And yeah, this month we are looking at the book of the month, which is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Oh my goodness, I can't remember the name of the new book, but it is the new book, and I will try to post it by the end of the week if I can remember. But the very new one that just came out October 22nd, I believe it is the book of the month that you can win. So we are going to spin and see who we get. Good luck to everybody, and let's go. All right. And so Mason is our winner for the week. Congratulations. Friends, keep doing such an amazing job. Y'all are doing wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And Mason, I will send you a link so that you can pick your book, and that will be included at the end of this month, which will probably be before Thanksgiving, so it might be a little bit early this month. So congratulations, and I hope that everybody has a great day. See you later.